What's up, YouTube? So it is officially November 28th, the day after Thanksgiving. Hopefully everybody had a really good Thanksgiving. Hopefully you had an opportunity to, just be amongst family, friends, positive vibes, good food. And even if you woke up on Thanksgiving and you was alone, the fact of the matter is you woke up to see another Thanksgiving. Never take life for granted. So many people didn't make it this year, but if you did, shout out to you. Also, it is November 28th, and so you know what that means. The Black Cat 4 is released today. I'm super duper excited. It's currently Snipes. I'm at Snipes and the store's getting ready to open at 10. I don't see no line or anything like that, so this is definitely going to be an easy peasy grab. However, I didn't want to wait too long because I feel like people are beginning to shop for the holidays. And I didn't want them to sell out, so I'm super ecstatic. This was actually one of the releases that I really was looking forward to. It actually released about, I think maybe 2020 was the last release. But anyway, it's an all black shoe. I'm a huge fan of the 4s, so it's definitely going to release. I didn't upload the taxis. That was my last pickup. But I'm actually going to edit and upload that video. So with that being said, I'm actually going to take you with me as we go and get this pair. It should be a W cop because the store did not open up yet. I did not see a line outside, which I never waited online for sneakers. It's deep, but it's not that deep. So shout out to people that do it. Me personally speaking, I don't have time for that. But I'm super excited because I'm gonna go get these sneakers, then probably do a quick review and then go link with a friend because I'm off for the day, or I'm gonna link with a friend and then do the review. Either or, in that order. But anyway, I'm gonna upload the taxis video. It was another video that I didn't, maybe the Fire Red 5s that I picked up. I don't know if I did a video for that. I don't know. But I'm definitely going to edit, upload, and hopefully everybody had a really great Thanksgiving, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. See you in a few. These legs is jelly. Up season. These look like the lemons. So, I got some real devastating news. Do you remember I went to Snipes and they opened up at 8 o'clock, and so they definitely sold out. Even on the website, it was saying that the release was literally supposed to be at 10 o'clock. So, next option is JD Sports. I doubt any of Nike's have it unless they just open it up. So, I don't know. I'm hoping this is a W, but I could walk out with an L. So let's see how this goes. Next spot, JD Sports. What's up, YouTube? I'm tuning back in. As you can see, I think it's important not to just point out the W's and to show the W's, but show the L's. So yeah, as you can see, I went through 4 different stores in terms of getting it on hand. At first it was Snipes, then I went to JD Sports, and then I went to Jimmy Jazz. 5 stores. Then I went to Foot Locker and then Kids Foot Locker, and they all sold out in a size 7. So that was pretty unfortunate. It was a sneaker I was really looking forward to. Now I guess my next bet is to kind of like go online, which when I go buy sneakers I like getting it in hand. But nevertheless, it's okay, it's cool. But I feel like in terms of Jordan releases, I caught a lot of W's, but I also caught some L's along the process, along the way. But it's cool. I think when it comes to the Gamma 11s, I'm going to be working at the time of the release, and I could imagine it's around Christmas time. And I feel like it's going to sell out. And so what I'm going to have to do is just order online immediately. As soon as they drop, as soon as it release, go and order it online. And I suggest anybody else do that too. With the Black Cat 4s, I felt like, and I knew that they were going to sell out. Everybody's shopping around Black Friday. So it's unfortunate, but it's just one of those situations where it is what it is. It's kind of like with the flu games. I really wanted those. Those sold out. And the metallic fives, of course, those sold out as well. So, I mean, I caught a lot of W's this year in terms of releases, but I also caught some L's along the way. But life goes on. I still got my Black Cat 3s, though. So, as long as I have something, you know, all black, it's cool. But I really, really wanted the 4s. And I still may get them. I probably gotta, you know, just go up the price in terms of getting it online, because a lot of them sold out online as well. So that's kind of like the unfortunate thing about it. You win some, you lose some, but you live to see another day. It's not that deep. I definitely was disappointed. I had no idea that a lot of these stores were opening up. I think some at 7, some at, you know, 8 o'clock. Otherwise I would have been there, you know. So it's kind of like unfortunate, but it is what it is. I'm gonna upload this anyway, because at the end of the day, it's cool to post the W's, but it's also cool to post the L's. You know, you win some, you lose some, but you live to see another day. Let me know in the comment section whether you got them, or, you know, if you was like me and you lost out and caught that L. Nevertheless, happy holidays. Be safe. Save some of your money. Don't spend all your money doing the whole Black Friday type thing or whatever. But nevertheless, that's neither here nor there. Take care. Here, there, take care. That rhymed. Later. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. This is part 2. And by the look on my face, you can tell that it was a process, but I actually got the Black Cat 4s. I'm super duper excited. Of course, I paid a little bit above retail, but nonetheless, we secured them. So, shout out to Fly Kicks, right out in Brooklyn. Super ecstatic. I went and picked it up today, Monday, officially. Obviously, grade school 7. This is what the box looks like. But in that store, it don't matter if you grade school or not. You're going to pay above retail. But anyway, yeah, I'm actually really feeling the box, even though, you know, I like the splattered paint or whatever. This is what the box looks like. I'm super duper ecstatic. Ah, man. I was so tight because I was like really indecisive. Like, dag, all these stores sold out in my size. And for me, I think primarily because it's sold out in so many sizes, it's more so because this is an all black shoe. You can't go wrong, you know, with an all black shoe. You could put black shoes, pretty much go with anything. Not really anything. Obviously, of course, some outfits to hit more, but obviously, absolutely love it. That's what the bottom looks like. I love the Cajun. I love the fact that it's not a leather shoe. And it's more so nubuck or suede, either or. And it got a little bit of dust on it. Not really dust, but something you have to brush off before wearing, obviously. You know, there we go. We got the Jumpman. We got the Nike Air. And then I love the fact that it's Nike Air on the bottom. Back, I love that detail right there. And then not only that, but it's in a leather. So here's the shoe tab, the air bubble. I personally don't think that they look any different than other shoes, but I was curious to see whether or not it squeaked. Can you hear it? I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's not going to squeak on foot. But anyway, I am super duper excited. Like, this sneaker is going to get a lot of wear. So like, comment, subscribe. I actually ended up paying like $260, whereas I think I ended up paying $260. And I don't really know what the receipt is, but I definitely paid like $260. I'm just really happy that I actually got my hands onto these. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. I'm super duper excited. I have the Black Cat 3s, which release in January, and the Black Cat 4s. I'm a fan of the 4s more than I am a fan of the 3s. And so the fact that they have this in all black, had to get it. And it's even the small little things like that the shiny black on the side right there, and then the netting of the cage. Like, this is This is really. So let me know if you got it. Let me know if you didn't go get it. Let me know if you felt like it was not worth it, if you didn't, get retail based prices on it. But for me, I was really excited because I was going to order online, but it was like, well, I paid $280 online and then wait almost a month for you to actually be able to wear the sneakers, as opposed to paying $260 and walking out with it, which is what I prefer. No shipping cost or anything like that. So no waiting time. So like, comment, subscribe if you want to see me actually put these together. I think I'm gonna let it sit for a while before I actually get something that I feel like is worthy to bring these out. So with that being said, hopefully everybody has a great week. Take care.